Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your auto insurance with Liberty Mutual, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your auto insurance with Liberty Mutual, start by visiting their official website. Look for the auto insurance section on the homepage. Click on the Get a Quote button to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter basic information about your vehicle. Provide details such as the make, model, and year of your car. Next, add information about your driving history. Include any past incidents, tickets, or claims you may have. Once you've submitted your details, proceed to the coverage options. Review the different coverage levels available, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive. Consider any additional features like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. Select the coverages that best fit your needs and budget. After making your selections, proceed to the quote summary. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your premiums and coverage details. If you're satisfied with the quote, you can continue to the next step. You'll be asked to create an online account or log in if you already have one. Provide any additional personal information required for the policy. Review all the information to ensure accuracy before final submission. Once confirmed, you'll receive your new policy documents via email. Consider setting up automatic payments for your convenience. Finally, keep a record of your policy details for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.